Hi, I'm Vicki Mendham, Culinary Arts Instructor at Nicolet College. I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to do chocolate-covered strawberries just in time for Valentine's Day. To get started, one of the first things you want to do is make sure you have your strawberries washed. After that, it's really important to get all of the water off of them. So you want to put them on some paper towel and then dry them. So one of the things that you want to get ready is a double boiler to start melting your chocolate. So take a pan and put a little bit of water in it. Typically I like to put about an inch of water or so that that pan is not sitting in the water. Once you get your chocolate in there, you want to have the flame very, very low. You get the chocolate gets close, you're going to want to just turn that burner right off and let the hot water from the pan melt the chocolate. Other colors, you can get candy melts. So no matter what kind of strawberries you use, you want to grab them. And usually if you hold them and keep the greenery out of the way, you can dip them into your chocolate. And sometimes people like to dip the entire strawberry. Sometimes people dip part of the strawberry, kind of shake it off a little bit and put it on your pan to cool. So we're gonna dip half of this strawberry kind of on an angle into the white chocolate and let that drip a little bit. Then we're gonna dip the other side of it into the dark chocolate. Here's where the fun starts. You can get real creative and you can drizzle with opposite colors of chocolate or candy melts. So I'm gonna drizzle pink onto the chocolate. When you have that nice color difference, it stands out a little bit more. The thing that you can do is make them sparkly. You can get some edible glitter or some luster dust and take a clean paintbrush and paint it on. You could either paint it on the whole thing. It doesn't take much either. So when you're serving up your strawberries, you can decide whether you want to put them in some muffin papers, and you can put them in a box to give to a friend, or you can put them on a platter. And now we are ready for Valentine's Day.